Learn English daily.
Welcome home, honey. How was your day?
Hey, Lily. It was a long day, but now that I'm home, everything feels better. I missed you.
I missed you too, John. Now sit down, relax, and let me take care of you.
The food smells amazing, Lily. You always know how to make me feel better. So,
Well, it's the least I can do for my hardworking husband. You deserve a delicious meal after a long day at the office.
how was your day, Lily? Did anything interesting happen?
Oh, you won't believe it. I finally finished reading that book you recommended. It was incredible. The ending was so unexpected.
That's great, Lily. I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's always exciting to share something we love with each other. You know, Lily, it's moments like these that make all the stress and exhaustion of work disappear. Being here with you is my favorite part of the day.
And you, my dear, are the reason this house feels like a home. Your love and support mean everything to me.
I think I should have more long days at the office if it means coming home to this kind of reception.
Oh, stop it, you. You know I'm always here for you, no matter what.
And I'm grateful for that, Lily. You're my rock, and I couldn't ask for a better partner in life. It's such a peaceful evening, isn't it? Just being here with you under the stars feels like a dream.
Absolutely. Sometimes we get so caught up in our busy lives that we forget to appreciate the simple moments of serenity. Tonight reminds me of how fortunate we are.
You know, when I look up at the night sky, I can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. It makes me realize how vast and mysterious the universe is.
I feel the same way, John. It's incredible to think about the infinite possibilities and the grandeur of it all. We're just small specks in this vast cosmos.
But you, Lily, you make my world feel so much bigger. Your love and presence give me a sense of belonging and purpose.
And you, my dear, are my guiding star. Your unwavering support and affection illuminate my path and fill my life with warmth.
I'm grateful for the life we've built together. Through thick and thin, we've always had each other's backs. And I wouldn't have it any other way.
Me neither, John. Our journey has had its share of ups and downs, but it's made us stronger. Together, we can weather any storm that comes our way.
You know, Lily, I sometimes wonder what the future holds for us. Where will our path lead us?
Who knows, John? But as long as we're together, I'm not worried. We'll face whatever comes our way, hand in hand.
Well, for now, let's enjoy the present and cherish this beautiful evening together.
Absolutely, John. Here's to the countless moments like this that we'll share in the days to come.
I love these spontaneous road trips, Lily. It's just you, me, and the open road. Perfect for deep conversations.
Absolutely, John. It's nice to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply focus on each other.
You know, it's moments like these that remind me of how far we've come. We've built a beautiful life together, haven't we?
Yes, we have, John. We faced challenges, celebrated victories, and supported each other through it all. Our journey has been nothing short of remarkable.
Do you ever think about what the future holds for us, Lily? Where we'll be in 5, 10 years?
Sometimes, John, but what truly matters is that we continue to grow together, supporting each other's dreams and aspirations. As long as we have each other, we can conquer anything.
I couldn't imagine my life without you, Lily. You're my rock, my partner, and my best friend.
And you, John, are the love of my life. You make every day brighter and every challenge easier to face. I'm so grateful to have you by my side.
Look at this view, Lily. It's a reminder of the beauty that awaits us in life's journey.
Yes, John. And as long as we're together, I know our journey will be filled with love, laughter, and countless adventures.